Hello again, Ed with Lemunion Dry Out and Foundation Repair. I'm here today to talk to you about Crawlspace Encapsulation and proper installation of Crawlspace Encapsulation. I have some photos to share with you. This one shows an improper installation of Crawlspace Encapsulation. First of all, it appears to be maybe 6 mil white poly. Don't know how they could have fastened this product anyway. And you see it's pulled away from the edges. It doesn't even look like it was even attempted to be attached somehow. I don't see anything on the wall or on the floor, so it looks like it was just laid in there and maybe hooked around a bolt or something. But obviously the homeowners would not have been satisfied or happy with this. I know I wouldn't if this was my home. So this is an improper installation of Crawlspace Encapsulation. Plus you see nothing on the walls. There's no insulation or anything. Very concerning. Whereas when we install a Crawlspace Encapsulation, it's properly done, taken care of. So here you see our product. This is a 12 mil nylon reinforced product. It goes down in big, large rolls, and we use a specialized Crawlspace encapsulation tape to seal these the seams. Hardly recognizable where the seams are at. This product is awesome. It does so well. We put a 25-year warranty on it. We love the product. It doesn't fail. It does really well. You see it's on the floor. It's also not just over to the wall, but it's up the wall all the way to the rim joist. This ensures a proper seal so no harmful gases can come back up into the home. You don't need floor insulation at this point either, because now this space is no longer considered outside, where it would be if it had a dirt floor, but now it's considered conditioned space. And it's going to be, the temperature and humidity are going to relegate themselves to what's upstairs. So now it's conditioned and it's protected. It's usable space now. You can use it for storage. The things down there aren't going to mold or get destroyed. Also, you see on the walls, we use a 2-inch foam insulation with a coating on either side to help regulate the temperatures of hot and cold. And it's a beautiful product. And now any metal ductwork that you have in this space isn't going to be in a violent atmosphere. Before, without a crawlspace encapsulation, metal duct running through a crawlspace, you're in the summertime you're trying to pump 57 or 58 degree air through that hot metal tube, and the product that comes out isn't satisfying. But now it will be with it being encapsulated. So if you have crawlspace encapsulation needs, please give us a call. If you have another product in there and you're not sure about it, you're not happy with it, give us a call. We'd be happy to help you out with our product, this Crawlspace Encapsulation, 25-year warranty. We love the product. Give us a call, receive a free inspection. We'll be happy to help you out. 800-528-5535, anywhere in Kansas, and our website right there on the screen, www.lemunion.com. You can look at videos of installations that we have made and see what a good product this is. We'd be happy to help you. Give us a call, 800-528-5535. Have a great day.